What is up, everyone? Welcome back. If you saw my last video, you know that there is no more Suburban. Number one. Number two, if you didn't get it, the plan is to throw this frame under the S10. But that's not what we're working on right now. Check it out. No vehicle is safe in my garage. We have a 98 Blazer here. Yes, it is four-wheel drive. What am I doing with it? Nothing like the Silverado. Many truckers around here. Nothing safe. We're gonna lower a 4x4. So today, let's see how it goes. I've always thought about doing it. I've never lowered anything with keys before. It should be pretty self-explanatory. Lowering keys in the front, supposed to drop it 1 to 3 inches, and 3 or 4 inch block. I think it's 4-inch blocks in the back. We're kicking it old school. Going back in the mini truck days, the old school days of just we'll lower anything. Let's get at it. So there's the keys. We gotta take this bolt out. Once we get that bolt out, I bought the fancy tool to hopefully it goes good. But let's see. I'm a little scared.
Friends go, it was simple. When the end's low, switch the tempo. My friends go.
All right, so front's done. I had a little bit of an issue trying to get the one torsion bar out of the key. The driver's side, I mean, just slid right out. It's probably the oil leak that, you know, all the oil just comes back and lubricates everything underneath real good to keep it from rusting. But passenger side, not so good. Had to get the air chisel out and put that to work. But I got it out, got the keys in, got them tightened up. Now let's move on to the back and see if we have to cut every U-bolt off. Should be fun.
Me, I go to war for some. Some people need knives and guns. Same ones just talk and run. Some people go to war for none. Me, I go to war for some. Some people need knives and guns. Same ones just talk and run. When my friends go, it was simple. When the end's low, switch the tempo. I got right, I got heart, I won't die, I'ma fight. I go down, bet I strike, I go hard day and night. Money on the line, keep calling. Money on the books, need all that. My kids, they'll be ballin'. Got a real bankroll, not for Instagram. My mama on the line, keep calling. Praying for me, know I need all that. Told me it's not about ballin'. Real blessed, but I'm still sinning, man. What would you do for a win? What would you do for your friends? What if this life is a foe? What if it always pretend? What if you roll to the end? What if you started again? This is real life, not a game. I fight my battles to win. But some people go to war for none. Me, I go to war for some. Some people need knives and guns. Same ones just talk and run. Some people go to war for none. Me, I go to war for some. Some people need knives and guns. Same ones just talk and run. When my friends go, it was simple. When the end's low, switch the tempo. I got right, I got heart, I won't die, I'ma fight. I go down, bet I strike, I go hard day and night.
Well, there it is. It doesn't look horrible, I gotta say. You can definitely tell the front wheels. stick out a little farther than the back. But it is what it is. Who cares? We're just here to have fun. So, well, let's get to it. Time to get her washed up tomorrow morning. Head up to Carlisle. See everyone there. Have a good night.
I go hard day and night.